Alright, these tiles here, they don't go all the way to the wall, but all the cabinets are going here, and the cabinets are gonna hide that. So all I'm doing is putting this tile in just so that the cabinets will be able to rest on it. But so I didn't waste material, I cut that side first up to the wall and took the remainder of that tile and put it on this side, which left a bigger gap, but all of it is underneath the cabinets, so you'll never see it. All right, now we're building the corner Susan, the base corner for the Susan. So the first thing I do is I make sure I have all the grooves lined up for where all the shelves are going. And you want to build the back first, okay? So the back has those two pieces of wood. I glue it first. Tack it first. My next one. Glue it first. Tack it off. Okay, now I tacked it off so that I don't have to fight with it, but they give you the screws. You have longer ones and shorter ones. These would take the longer ones. Okay. Well, we had a predicament here where we have to cut this piece off, and now because of the fitting that's in the wall, we got to break the PVC out of the inside. Go ahead, Ty. You can push down. Not too much. Go ahead and hit it in again. Push down a little, then move it to one way or the other. No, pull it out. Okay, go back to the first spot. Push down. There you go. That's what you want to do. You want to break it loose. Keep working your way around. Go back towards where you just were and get it further in. There, right there, right where we were. A little to your right. There you go, right there. There you go. Keep breaking that. Work your way all the way around until it comes out. Okay, go ahead. Okay, now once you have all that PVC out, we're going to sand this down and then glue it. And we're going to glue this in place. Okay. Now I'm building the Susan box. I put the 3 back pieces on. I cut the hole for the clean out and I put the 1 side on. Now I'm going to glue the grooves and slide in the Susan, and then I can nail it off, get the second one in, tack it off, then get the other side on, and then I can screw everything nice and tight. What's going on? Turn it off. Okay, this one we added a filler on. I pre-drilled them, brought that in tight. We have our Susan in. Now we're gonna set this one. Okay, now I have the sink base. I just built it. We have all these holes to cut out. 2 water lines, 1 drain line, and the outlets. So what I did is I stood up my cabinet and put it in the place where it needed to be, measured everything off the wall and off the cabinet to this cabinet. Then I measured from the existing cabinet that's sitting there, well, the new cabinet, but the Susan that's sitting there, and I got all my center lines of all my pipes and both sides of my outlet. I transferred those to here. I put an X right where they're going. I made the box for the outlet. And now I need to drill some holes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a pilot hole first in the X so that I can drill from the inside so that I don't mess up the inside of the cabinet. If I drill the hole saw from this side, it's gonna tear up the face of the cabinet on the inside. And I don't want that. So these 3 are circle holes. So I'm gonna do those and then make sure everything lines up with that. Then I'll do this one last if I gotta do any adjustments so that I know that I got them correctly. Okay? Okay. All right. We got them all cut in. Now we're ready to set the cabinet. And I may want to come down and video while you're cutting.
Oh, okay.
If you
I can videotape for you.
Oh yeah? Oh, okay. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube.
Okay. You see the gas? I'll give you one of those. You want one?
Yeah.
I'll give you one.
All right.
Yeah, like $200. But it's work like it is. You see, you put it
Nice.
in. I don't know. In Brazil.
Very nice.
You doing a tile backsplash over here also?
Yes.